Hey guys, Ariel Patrice here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, welcome. And if you are returning, thank you for staying. So today is going to be a get ready with me Labor Day edition. So today is Sunday. It's the day before Labor Day, but it's the Labor Day weekend. And so I have a few things that I'm going to be doing. I'm going to some get-togethers, some parties and all of that. So I figured that I would just do a Labor Day weekend edition special for the Get Ready With Me. I've never done a Get Ready With Me. I guess it's basically just a makeup Get Ready With Me, but let's go ahead and get started. I've already washed my face, and what I used today was just soap and water, but let me show you the massager that I use with my face. This is what I use. It's the Proactiv brush. And it looks like this. And it has two different settings, and because I have a pretty sensitive face, I use the lowest setting. This is not sponsored, by the way. That's just what I use. Y'all saw before in my nighttime routine that I either use Proactiv face wash or I use soap and water. I'm right now using soap and water, and I just use that brush because it cleans my face really good. So I've already done that. So let's go ahead and get started into the primer. Next, I will be using my Fenty Beauty in the color 440. And oh, I didn't even get out my brushes. Hold on one second. And so I'll go ahead and put some all right here and just kind of blend in with my brush. Now, I'm not actually going to use concealer for my face. I wanted to try out this look where I just kind of brighten it with the actual powder, which I'll use the nutmeg powder here in a little bit from Fenty Beauty, without the actual concealer, because I'm going to be outside a lot and I'm going to be inside, and so I kind of want to see if powder will just be okay. Haven't tried this before, but we're going to go ahead and try it, and I'll let y'all know how it is later, possibly. And so before I go in with the actual powder, I am going to go ahead and go in with my contour stick, and this is in the espresso color. Remember, that's this color right here. I'm just going to go ahead and hit my cheeks and the upper part, a little bit lower, and a little bit on my nose. And I'm going to go in with this little brush. It's actually an eyeshadow brush, if you can believe that. It says this right here. I don't know if you can read it, but eyeshadow brush. But I use it to blend out with my nose. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that down and just kind of do this light contour on my nose. Next, I'll go ahead and move on to my powder. So I'm going to set my powder. This thing's always so hard to get open. Need a towel. Okay, finally. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my little Eco Style brush for my nutmeg, the color nutmeg, to set where I would normally highlight my face. And so this is the Fenty Beauty in the color nutmeg, like I said. Sorry. And so I'll just go in with this on my under eyes, up here in my forehead, chin, and then a little bit under my contour. And then I will go ahead and set with the coffee, I believe this is coffee, yes, the coffee Fenty Beauty powder on the dark parts where I would contour. So my cheeks, up here, and then lower jawline. And I'm going to contour with my 023 brush. Next, I'm going to use my Too Faced palette, and so for the colors I'm going to use today, I think what I'll go ahead and use is a little bit of pixie dust, and then Rizo. And if I'm feeling extra fancy, I might add another color in. I'm just going to use my finger, so I'll use the pixie dust on the lids, and then I'll use the Rizo, let's say Rizzo, kind of like grease, right? So let's use Rizzo on the outsides, and I'll just kind of blend in with a brush if I need to. If not, I'll just kind of blend in with my fingers. And actually, guys, I am going to use a small brush just so I can hit the pixie dust and the Rizzo at the bottom. I'll hit the pixie dust obviously right here in the inner lower part, and then I'll hit the Rizzo on the outside. Next, we'll go ahead and go in with the eyeliner, and so I will, like always, use my Wet n Wild eyeliner, and it looks like this. This is going to go at the bottom. Next, I'll go in with my Kat Von D eyeliner, and I'm going to just go at the top. There's not going to be a wing today, it's just going to be regular eyeliner across the board. I'm going to wait on this eye for a second because it's still pretty watery and I want it to be dry before I put the eyeliner on. So I'll just go ahead and go in with my mascara, and then I will use this one like I always do. And I'll go ahead and hit that on my bottom lashes and my top lashes. So I'll go ahead and do this left eye first, and then I'll wait for this one so I can go ahead and do my eyeliner and then do the same thing. So you can see the difference on what it does for my eyes with the eyeliner and the mascara. I love this mascara because look how long it makes my bottom eyelashes and my actual top eyelashes look. And I'll get a little bit closer so you can see. So you see, it's like a world of difference, honestly, and I love that. So next, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Estetica, the eyebrow pin. And so this is, I found my black, I lost it for a while, and so I finally found it. So this is what I'm going to use today. Alright guys, now it is time for highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and use my Urban Decay Space Powder, which looks like this. And I'm just going to use my fan brush and kind of hit that on the higher parts of my cheeks and use my finger to hit a little bit on the nose. Obviously, I put on a little bit more things as y'all saw. And so now I will go ahead and go in with my lips, and that will be the Jeffree Star and Tasty. And then I'm also going to use the Morphe lip crayon in the color Tata for Now. And that looks like this. Okay, last but not least, I will go ahead and spray with my Morphe Continuing Setting Mist, and then I will be back to show you the finished product. Guys, this is my final look. I will show you this outfit. It's actually going to be the next video I do, but this is what it looks like after I'm finished. And so, yeah, this is my Get Ready With Me Labor Day edition. Like I said, I have a lot of things to do this weekend. I've got all of my tests that I need to do out of the way. I've done my homework that I need to do out of the way. So now I actually get to enjoy myself for these next couple of days. If you like this video, go ahead and like If you want to see more, you have any questions, go ahead and comment. So don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you want, you can hit the notifications button, and then you'll never miss a video from me when I post. Again, I thank you all so much. I know I say it every time, but I'm so grateful, and I will continue to say it every single time. So I really appreciate you. Thank you for staying with me, and until next time, bye.